Hi, my name is Swastika and I live in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I was born and brought up in India and I've been into the curly girl method for almost 4 years now. I would like to thank Lee for giving me the opportunity to draft a video for her. I love experimenting with my hair and I love traveling as well. If you could have a look at my hair right now, you would see a lot of colors in it. And this is a brand new color. The original hair color that I have is black. Oh hey, well, 3 top hair tips that I would want to give to my curly friends are: 1. Never ever compare your hair with anyone else. Everybody's hair texture, volume, products, and curly girl journey is different. Do not compare. Tip 2. Try to use products that are silicone, paraben free. And tip 3, I would think, is explore. Explore the products that you can and do not just blindly trust every single thing that you see or come across. I am extremely fond of traveling and I cover almost 1 or 2 countries every year. But sadly, due to the pandemic this year, I cannot travel. But 3 travel tips that I would want to give you are: 1. To avoid your hair getting frizzy while you're traveling in a bus, in a train, or by the airway, I think it's always a great idea to have a satin scarf in which you can wrap your hair. It could be a pineapple bun or it could be otherwise. The second tip I would want to give you is: carry tiny little travel friendly bottles like these. These are my Kanto hair products which I carry when I travel, which I used to carry when I used to travel, and probably something to refresh your hair as well if it is a short travel. And the third tip I would like to share with you is that it is always a great idea to keep your hair tied on top in a pineapple bun or otherwise, in case the places you're traveling to are humid places. I live in Dubai, UAE right now, and it's a multicultural and a multilingual place. You find people with different kind of hair textures and different hairstyles, and there are a lot of curly hair shops that you would come across and a lot of curly hair stores as well. I'm going to put some across in the video right out here, but I would like to name a few as well. The first store, which is a curly haircut salon as well, is Curl Therapy, and their website is curltherapy.com. There's a new store that has come up. It's an online store and its name is Curls Fusion. And there's a place here called Dera, wherein you would find a lot of shops that have African hair products, for instance Kanto, and you can find them at a really affordable price. But the best buy here at any point of time is Amazon. You would find all the products, be it Aunt Jackie or Devakal, Kanto. You will find a lot of variety there with 2 or 3 days of delivery. If I talk about my native land, which is India, the very idea and the concept is not very popular there yet, and you wouldn't really come across curly hair salons, stores or shops in the first place. So Amazon is always a safe place to order products from, provided you check that the seller is an authentic seller. And back in India, as in when I order, I always end up ordering from Amazon, though the price is a bit high there. I did mention in the very beginning that I love traveling, but I'm not really a solo traveler, because 2 years ago I did take my first solo travel, but that was in my home country itself, and I did quite enjoy it because I don't really think I'm a managerial kind of person who would organize, plan, and then stick to everything that I've planned. So far, my most memorable travel destination has been Germany, Berlin in particular, because it really added a nice color to the rainbow of my life in terms of traveling, because of the people I would come across reading on roads, the beautiful paintings, the art that's celebrated in that country, and of course, because I traveled during the time when it was cold, it did give me a bit of scope to play around with my hair as well and do what I wanted to. When I travel, I carry tiny little bottles like these with labels put on in terms of what product it is, and I put my leave-in conditioner, my gel and my anti-frizz serum in that. Well, protective styling or wash and go, I never wash and go out really. It definitely is protective styling with that scarf that I use at night to sleep, but it also is a bun like this, which sometimes I tie up here using just bobby pins, or probably just making a bun out here with open hair here. I do not generally leave my hair open because it leads to a lot of matting, leads to a lot of frizz, leads to a lot of straightening of bits here and there. So that's something which I definitely do. My staple hair product is definitely a leave-in conditioner clubbed with probably a styling gel. I'm very fond of Kantu products because one, they are very affordable, and two, I think my hair texture really accepts these products well. But other than that, a curl activating cream and a leave-in conditioner are two things that I would definitely carry to every single place I go to when I go for my stays. A hair diffuser, an afro comb to give you volume, and my products in tiny little bottles is something that I definitely carry wherever I go, and this is an essential. Other than that, the scarf that I use to sleep, well, on days when I'm not traveling and on days when I'm at my own house working regularly, I do make sure that I condition my hair, and by condition I mean deep conditioning. I do make sure that I condition my hair every 2 weeks. There's this deep conditioning cap too that I use sometimes at home when I don't feel like going to the parlor. I just turn it on for a while, for let's say 20 minutes, and I apply the product on my hair and keep it for 20 minutes before I wash it off. So that really works for me. Today was a good day because I gave some deep conditioning to my hair. But once this pandemic is over and I can travel freely, I would like to explore more of Europe. I have been to the Russia-Europe border, I've been to Azerbaijan, I've been to Armenia, Georgia, and I have also been to Finland and Germany. And now I would like to explore more of Europe. I really hope this gets over soon. I'm signing off with my favorite set of products, Devakil. I know there's a lawsuit filed against it, but so far it hasn't affected my hair and I've been using it for the last 5 years. Pantene, Cretans, Aunt Jackie's, Kantu, that's my all-time favorite, and Aunt Jackie's again. Thank you very much for watching my video.